Hey everyone, we are BTVTED FSM students. So today we will discuss to you about the questions, what does it means for you to put students learning first? So before we start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Ana Marie Rances.
And Carlo J. Saliasa. So first, student learning first is a principle that emphasizes the importance of prioritizing the educational needs and well-being of student above all the other considerations. This approach places the focus on creating a student-centered learning environment where the primary goal is to support and enhance the learning experiences of the student.
Okay everyone, so when we say putting students learning first, means prioritizing the educational needs, well-being, and growth of students above all else. It involves creating an environment which fosters academic excellence, personal development, and overall success for each student.
That's great, Anna. So for me, this approach requires educators to tailor their teaching methods, curriculum and support system to meet the diverse needs of students, ensuring that they receive a high-quality education that prepares them for the futures.
Correct, Carlo. Students also need to prioritize learning because it is fundamental to their academic success, personal growth, and preparation for the future.
And also by putting learning, first student can develop critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a mindset of lifelong learning that are essential for success in both academic and real-world contexts. Learning first is essential for students as it lays the foundation for their future success and personal development. By prioritizing learning, students can acquire knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and enhance their problem-solving abilities. This focus on learning also helps students adapt to new challenges, improve their communication skills, and build a strong work and ethic.
Furthermore, putting learning first enables students to explore their interests, discover their passions, and pursue academic excellence. It entails a sense of curiosity and lifelong learning that can benefit them in their careers and personal lives. Ultimately, prioritizing learning empowers students too. I think, Carlo, we share all our knowledge and insight about this discussion.
You're correct, Anna. We have at least shared with them what we know in these discussions.
So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for taking the time for this discussion. So once again, I am Ana Marie Rances.
And I'm Carlo J. Saliasa.
Thank you for listening.